Okay, so I got the old thing wired up. I routed the speaker through the back of the over there. That's the speaker right there. Those are the sensors right there. I got the car washed up. If you listen very carefully, you can hear the sound. Yep. So I'm probably gonna start a YouTube blog about things that I've done to my car. Same thing with the backup camera. My car didn't initially come on one, so I installed one myself. I didn't make a video for that, but I think I'll start doing that. Well, I hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, so this is how it sounds back in